You are a liar. Do you kiss your mother with that mouth?
No, I do not kiss my mother. I'm not a freak like you. I don't kiss my mother.
Okay. No, it's
Yes, you are
not
a freak.
a freak. I mean,
Yes, you're a weirdo. You kiss your mother. You weirdo.
you are a freak. You are a weirdo. You think like that. I
You are a weirdo
kiss my
because
mother on the cheek like, my mom.
no. You just
You
told
are a
me.
weirdo.
You are the
What's wrong
weirdo.
with kissing your mother on the cheek, man? You so like
You are the weirdo. You
love.
asking me.
The
You are
thing
asking me.
about love,
No,
love,
no, no, no,
love.
no. Don't just sing a song to get out of an argument.
It's because you're a YouTuber. Hey,
No,
shut up, bro. Shut up. I'm
no.
trying to talk with number 3.
Number 1 is a YouTuber. Who? No, 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 no. No, 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 no one, no one, no one, no one. Who said that? Who said that? Who said that? You liar, you're a liar.
Who is shooting at me?
I don't know, my friend. Oh, yeah.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
You wanna go poo poo? You wanna go poo poo?
Oh, dude.
If you wanna go poo poo, you can go poo poo.
Nobody wanna go.
Where are you from? Where are you from? Number 2 said that I'm a so-called YouTuber. What is a YouTuber? Is it some kind of a fruit? I think so, right? A YouTuber is a fruit, right? It's a watermelon. A YouTuber is some sort of a watermelon, right?
Hey, Michelle. Michelle.
Yeah.
Do you have a boyfriend? No, I mean, do you have a girlfriend, bro?
You're entering a world of pain.
I don't care. I don't care what people say to me. I'm on the highway to hell. Highway to hell. Highway to hell. Highway to hell.
Oh my.
Ha 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 ha!
Oh shit!
Stop laughing, man.
You suck! Fortnite, everybody loves Fortnite. Fortnite, we love Fortnite. Fortnite, I love Fortnite. Fortnite, I love Fortnite. Fortnite, I love Fortnite. Have you played Fortnite? It sucks. If I die
Number 2.
tonight, tell my wife I love
You gotta
her.
stop. You got a wife?
Yes. If I die tonight,
wife?
tell my wife I love her.
She hot? Is she hot?
Very, 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 very.
Hook me up with her. Hook me up with her.
Oh, internet wifey, I love you. If I die tonight, oh, I died. See, look at me, I'm very, very sexy. Ooh, you. Hey. Wait for me, man. Look, I'm very sexy. You see, I'm
No
very sexy.
way.
I'm very sexy.
Okay,
Oh!
that's enough. Bye.
How many subscribers do you have?
240,000.
My name is
Mickey Mouse! Mickey Mouse! Idiot! Idiot!
What is a poo poo? I do not know what a poo poo is.
A poo poo is a sort of a fruit. You eat it.
It's a yellow fruit.
Yes, a yellow fruit. You wanna eat poo poo?
For her.
You want to eat poo poo?
Yes, I want to eat yellow food.
This one is eating the poo-poo. We do not want this sickness. This is sick to eat the poo-poo.
To answer your question, number one, I am from Vikendi. I came from Vikendi and I play here.
Liar.
No, why would I lie? Why would I lie? Why would I lie, my brother?
Nonsense, yaar.
Who is yar?
Yeah, yar,
Who is
yar.
content, yar?
Who's your nonsense, yar? Who's your nonsense, yar? Come on, bro.
Oh, shut up.
Come on, bro. You shut up, bro. Bro, come on, bro. You shut up, bro.
Shut up.
Enemies ahead.
Bro, you shut up, bro.
Mother, your mother.
Oh, you care, mother, murderer, bro.
This is murder. Take it, murder. Take it. This is murder. Look.
Mother.
Murder. Tika. Murder.
I need your mother.
Not a lot, but
You understand and it's no. You tell what in which language do you talk? English,
fucking
Hindi,
language.
English?
Germany,
English and then
English and
there's one other
Fucking
language.
language.
There's also one other language
It's
called.
fucking language.
What's your
Fucking
language number
language.
2? What's your language called? Forgot his language. What is his name? His name is number 2. Oh, number 2.
Sexy language.
What? Sexy
I think we
language?
need to.
Sexy language?
Sexy
I
language?
cannot talk. It's like. Huh? No.
I don't think that language need to be sexy.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I was asking number 2 for the language he
music
talks.
in the background.
I forgot its name.
I talk like an idiot.
I talk like an idiot
Do you
too.
like idiot?
I talk like an idiot too.
Do you like idiot?
Idiot.
Hello,
Do
idiot.
you like idiot? You love idiot. Really idiot. Idiot is very sexy.
Idiot sexy. Sexy idiot.
Sexy idiot. Very
Sexy
sexy.
idiot. Very, very sexy. Very, very sexy. I am not a liar. Very good, very good, very good, very nice. Originally, I'm from Melta Power. I used to live there. I worked there in Melta Power, but now I just roam around. I don't have any more.
You are
I don't have.
Illuminati.
Yeah. What? No. About
What is that
3-4 months.
PC?
49 lakh. 49 lakh.
What is
bro.
that? What is the cost of your PC?
What?
49 lakh.
No.
Yeah,
I'm not that rich. I'm not that rich.
Oh, you're not that rich. You're
No,
poor.
I'm not that rich.
In Atlantis, he is the beggar. In Atlantis, he is the beggar.
Ooh, very good, very good. Do you know that? Do you know that I once had an affair with a teacher at school?
No.
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 It wasn't
You
my
hear
fault.
me? No.
It wasn't my fault. Actually, she came on to me. She was really attractive, so that's why I,
Whoa. Hot teacher.
a very
I
attractive
like
woman.
hot.
Idiot, talk like this.
You do not talk like this. You are a liar.
Idiot, talk like
Why
this.
are you lying?
Oh no, number 2. Oh no.
Number 2, you dead. You wanna play again? I will play again. Number 2.
Number 2.
Yo, I'ma save your ass right now. I'ma save your ass, but not your body.
I need a M24.
I don't have one. No, I don't have.
M24 yaar.
No,
Arey please M24 yaar.
no, man. I'm using it.
Please.
No, please,
Why don't
please.
you go and ask your mother to buy it?
Please.
Ask your parents.
mother-in-law to buy
Ask
it.
your parents to buy it.
Please yaar.
No, yaar.
He is Abhishek, son of Amitabh Bachchan.
तेरे नाम da ngam tip ka lyrics kumno ban ruai.
Where are you from, number 1?
I'm from a country called Atlantis. Under the sea. I'm from under the sea.
Yes, you are a liar.
I live under the sea like SpongeBob. I live under the sea like SpongeBob. Have you not seen SpongeBob? Don't tell me you haven't seen SpongeBob. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to shout at you. I'm really sorry. I have no manners. I'm sorry. I have no manners. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't have manners. Don't worry.
I understand.
Okay, as promised, a shout out to Labby, Bob's Vegane, funny name, Genevieve's Aimlet, Rondell, Rebecca, and Ryder. Same with this video, I will choose comments to shout out in the next video.
It's gonna be alright.
I see someone on top of the mountain near the jeep.
I know, I
The
see
way
that
I see over
enemy.
there is like a hill. You don't even
I don't know how to play, I'm going to die. Woo!
Las chanclas. Todo despeinado porque no me dio tiempo nada ponerme las chanclas y el bañador. Voy a la playa, había subido la marea. Jesús. Jesús. Había subido la marea y encontré una paella.
I am a true. Whoa.
I'm from the. No, I travel. From where to where?
Yes. Oh, whoa. Die, enemy. Die. I said die, enemy. Good thing I had a level 3 vest on me. Whew. That was intense. I think he heard me saying that I had an affair with the teacher at school. Whew. That was very intense.
Bro, M4.
Bro, listen, bro, come on, bro, come on, bro, quit asking for me. Come on, man, come on, bro, come on, bro, come on, bro, come on, bro, come on, bro.
What is M24?
M24 is a bro. Come on, bro, quit it.
YouTuber.
Come on, bro, quit it, bro. Come on, bro. Quit it, bro.
Why are you following him left and again and again, motherfucker? Again and again, motherfucker. Why are you running?
M24, no
Oh.
man, no, bro, come on, bro. Come on, bro. I'm gonna kill myself and I'm gonna kill you. Knock one. Over there?
No one. Over there.
Hell no.
Hell no.
Good. Enemy behind this.
Enemy behind this.
Shit.
Shit.
Help me. I'm being surrounded.
Help me.
Yes, you see. Very good. That's what you get. Arigato. Konnichiwa. Hiroshima, Nagasaki, Samurai, Toyota, Hyundai, Honda, Toshiba, Mitsubishi. See, I know Japanese too. I can speak Japanese. Run! Grenade!
Surprise, motherfucker.
If you sing us some song first, then I will give you this M4.
If you do that again, I'll throw a grenade on you. See what I have on my hand. Do you see what I have on my hand? You wanna die?
Yes, I see. Yeah.
You want me to pull the pin?
Report. Hey, don't hit me, hey.
Battle Royale. Yeah, Battle Royale. Dim.
Oh, hey, I'm dying, man.
Oh man, we are such idiots. Ow, I'm still alive.
What? Oh, food is so hot.
Yes, the food is very hot.
I mean,
Ow! What's wrong with this
where
food?
are you gay?
Whoa!
Hey, man.
It is very nice.
Look at
What the
me
hell is wrong with
dancing.
you, man? What the hell is What the
I'm
hell is wrong
jumping,
with you?
yeah.
What the hell is wrong with you, huh?
I'm
Huh?
Hey,
What the hell
don't
is
hit
wrong with
me,
you?
man.
What the hell is wrong with you? Ow! 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 Duo! Ow! Ow! Stop it! Stop it! Ow! Ow! Ow!
Number 2, piece off.
Piece of piece in the bed. A piece in the bed. A piece in the bed. A pee in the bed. In the fool. Get in fool. Get in fool. Get in fool. Get in. Get in. Get in fool. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in fool. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in fool. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in fool. Get in. Get in. Get in fool. Get in. Get in. Get in. Okay.
Oh, wait for me.
Come on, fool. Come on. Come on,
I'm
fool.
gonna die.
Come on.
Don't wait for me.
Fool. Come on, fool.
Ah, please. Oh, go. Straight.
You don't fool.
This
You
is,
made it, fool. Fool. Fool.
Oh, save me.
You dumb fool.
Save me. Hey, come on, please. Save me.
Shit. This
Damn.
dumb fool.
That's why I tell
Stupid
you.
fool.
Suck. Come on, number 2.
It is because I had to rescue you. That's why I died, you dumb fool.
I didn't tell you to rescue me. I tell you to help you.
You told me to rescue you. You told me to help you. And now I am dead. It is all because of you, you dumb fool. Now I am dead.
Why are you blaming me, son of my irony? Sorry.
See.
Hey, don't shoot.
Now. Everyone is
Not yet.
dying. Everyone is going to die. You will die too. I told you. You dumb fool. YouTuber. What's that? What's a
I'm
YouTuber?
also a YouTuber.
What's a
Why do you
YouTuber?
not talk to the YouTuber?
What's a YouTuber? A YouTuber is what?
Live stream.
What?
Live stream.
A YouTuber is an ice cream. YouTuber is an ice cream.
This is not live stream. This is a parang stream.
This is not ice cream. This is PUBG.
Channel name, bro. Channel name.
This is a Bruce Inlay.
This
Channel.
is
what
the
is
Muss
Muss?
music. Muss McMusic. This is not a YouTuber. This is
McMusic.
ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. You want ice cream? I eat ice cream.
Channel name, yaar, bro.
Bro, come on, bro. My name, bro, is Muss McMusic, bro. Come on.
Shut up, yaar.
Come on, you asking me and I say shut up. Come on, bro.
Okay,
Bruh.
bro.
That's my name,
Okay,
bro.
Okay. Live stream. Live stream.
I'm not live streaming, bro. What's a live stream?
He is dead streaming.
I'm dead.
Dead
I'm dead
stream.
streaming. Yes, I'm dead streaming, not live streaming. I'm dead streaming.
Okay. M24.
You sure?
What?
You sure?
M24.
What? M24. What's an M24?
It,
M24 is a flavor of ice cream. I don't have that with me right now.
bro. Like and
Okay.
subscribe. Subscribe कर दो.
You are a loser. You are a loser. Number 2. You die easily.
I do not
You don't get even 1 kill. You loser. You are a loser. You are such a loser.
Oh my god.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! That was funny.